some food.
Really?
Then he was ready to run away. So I just went on him.
And what color was your horse?
Green.
And
What food did you give him?
Right?
What food did you give him?
I don't know what food I give my horsey. You know the food I give my horsey.
And where did you go?
Right?
Where did you go with your horse?
I was going to a house, back to my house. Then my horse, there was a big horse. Then I got a big trampoline to bounce. No, I mean a little trampoline.
Oh.
I mean to bounce on.
Mm. Did the horse go on the trampoline too?
No,
Oh.
the horse is too big.
Oh.
And the horse was on the trampoline, then he broke it.
Oh
Then
no.
I got mad at him.
No, no.
Yeah.
Did he turn into a bear?
Hey,